Creating your content marketing strategy is time-consuming and hard to maintain. However, it's a proven long-term benefit for business growth. I've been marketing my own and clients' businesses for many years, and I can tell you that consistency is the key. Content marketing can allow you to deliver valuable information to your customers. Providing relevant content also improves your reputation, helps build a community, and positions you as an expert. Content marketing has also shown in studies companies that are consistently delivering excellent content can increase traffic to your business by up to 55%, create more index pages on search engines by up to 434%, provide 5 times more leads, costs 62% less than traditional marketing, are 13 times more likely to generate ROI, return on investment. So let's get into how to develop your content marketing strategy. Hi, my name is Steve Welsh and I've been managing and marketing businesses for over 28 years. Welcome to the channel where I help businesses and entrepreneurs navigate marketing online, managing your business for growth and using the latest technology to reach customers. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing. Content marketing is a long-term strategy and focus on building relationships with your target market or the customer. Also, consistently providing quality content that teaches, explains, or helps the customer and gives a sense of reciprocating loyalty. Incorporating storytelling in your content can help capture the imagination of your audience. However, don't feel pressured into trying to create a story for every piece of content you produce. So let's start with the definition of content marketing. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. That was a mouthful. And ultimately to drive profitable customer action. That's a statement made by CMI, the Content Marketing Institute. Brand positioning content marketing is the next subject I want to talk about. A well-defined brand, product, or service positioning will give you a better platform and a consistent experience for your audience. An identifiable brand will ensure wherever your customers find you, the experience is the same. I've covered how to create your brand in a previous video. So let's get into the popular types of content. Creating content needs to take into account what your customers prefer. Also, the type of content that is the flavor of the month in terms of distribution platforms. There is an extensive list of content you can produce that can provide a service for your target market. This list includes 1. Articles. Like traditional newspapers and magazines, articles are like blog posts. However, they are for company news, product announcements, and any other time-sensitive stories about your company. Number 2 is blog posts. Blog posts have been around for many years now, with over 4.4 million published every day. Blog content is usually informative, such as how-to, lists, answers questions. Blog posts educate customers and solve problems. Item 3, case studies usually share customer success and how they achieve that success with your product or service. Combined with a customer testimonial, it reinforces your business as a solution to prospective customers. Item 4 is email marketing. Email marketing is an effective way of reaching your audience, customers, and prospects. This type of content creation allows you to create other pieces of content for your customers and send it directly to their inbox. Number 5 is infographics. Infographics are an easy way to deliver data in a visual format. Because infographics are images, they tend to be shared frequently on platforms such as Pinterest. Number 6 is podcasts. Over the last few years, podcasts have made a steady rise in popularity. The technology in our pockets allows us to listen to podcasts anywhere. You can listen on the move, in the car, on public transport, or foot. Number 7 is video. Companies that create video across social media platforms, video sites, and their website generate more interest in the business. Videos can help your audience describe problems and solutions, inform customers who you are, what you do, and sell products or services. Number 8 is social posts. Posting on social media platforms is an essential in content marketing as any other type of content creation. The primary purpose of social media posts is to get attention and higher engagement. Social posts can incorporate text, images, and videos, live and pre-recorded. Number 9 is websites. Your website page content delivers who you are, what you do, and who you help. Google's research a few years ago found that most customers research 9.4 pieces of content before purchasing. Number 10 on the list is messaging apps. Recently, messaging apps have become popular to connect directly with customers. The type of content used in questionnaires, quizzes, offers and prizes. There are multiple types of content you can create, not just the 10 listed, that can capture the attention of your target market. So what content formats will you use? Leave a comment below. Part of creating a content marketing strategy is choosing and planning the type of content you will produce. It's always better to start with a list of content types and stick to it. You should measure each piece of content over time. After all, the longer you produce that type of content, the better it becomes. It also allows you to see what content brings more interest and inquiries to your business. The next area is, who is the audience the content is targeting? Creating content for the sake of it never ends well. So much work for little return. Knowing and identifying the audience that you serve, where you can find the audience, social media, video platforms, email lists, database, will also help with the type of content you decide to create. The next area is, what problem will you be helping your audience solve? Having a deep understanding of how your product or service solves the customer's problem is essential when it comes to content creation. Most customers take to the internet to find a solution to the problem they are facing, whether it be a personal or business problem. If you can't explain how your product or service can help them, then they are unlikely to purchase. So if you sell technology, the content should inform your customer why yours is better than your competitors. And no, I'm not talking about price. This approach is used with a service business as well, showing how your service can resolve their issues and what's unique about it. Lastly, you can take the same approach within the entertainment and hospitality sectors. Show your customers the value of the experience that they will receive. The next area is content marketing strategy. A content marketing strategy is the management of all the media you create. I've listed the types of content you can manage earlier in the video. I've also covered how to create a marketing strategy in a previous video, and the link is in the description. Having a content marketing strategy and plan will keep you focused on what you're trying to achieve. The next area to look at is repurposing your content. Content repurposing is not new. However, it has become more popular in the last 5 years. The beauty of content repurposing is the ability to create one piece of content and modify it for different media. Your customers may log into several social media channels each day. Repurposing your content allows you to feed those channels with different types of content formats. Imagine writing a blog post of 1,500 words. It's kind of the minimum requirement for a decent blog post today. Then taking that post and modifying it slightly for voice. You can then use this content as a video script. If you take several posts on a subject matter, you turn it into an ebook. Take the ebook or a single long form post and convert the content to a podcast script. As you can see, repurposing content can cover several ways for users to absorb the information in the format they choose. And it doesn't end there. When you get creative, there are multiple ways to use an original piece of content. How about using sound bites, phrases or statements from the original post and creating social media posts from them? Content repurposing helps you to feed the beast that is social media while signaling to the search engines you have new content on your website. Once you have your system in place of what you can do with an original piece of content, it becomes a rinse and repeat process for every piece of new content you create. So to summarize, you should now be able to understand what content marketing is and the steps you take to deliver targeted value and solutions to your customers. To have success with content marketing for your business, it has to be consistent and add value to your customers. Finally, if you want to support this channel, click the thumbs up. Until then, I'll see you again. Stay safe.